Hello, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today we are in Indonesia for installation of our pallet production line. As you can see, we have a lot of wooden pallet, wooden box, and we will use these raw materials to make pallet. And first, right now you will see our team. Longze team is installation a large crusher. This crusher will crush this wooden pallet, and this machine capacity 15 to 20 tons per hour. And after that, we will use an down here. The wood chip will go to our hammer mill. This hammer mill is with a 132 kilowatt electric motor, and the capacity is 5 tons per hour. Those are the electric entry panel. Now we are testing the running direction of the crusher and the hammer mill, and later we will make a test. And this hammer mill, you will see that it's a pneumatic dust collector, and the double screw output conveyors, and then these materials get transferred to sawdust. Because this wooden pallet is dry, the sawdust can go directly to our pallet machine. The pallet machine is with 132 kilowatt electric motor. The capacity 1.5 to 2 tons per hour. This is the complete line of the whole unit. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye bye.